Diabetes is one of the most common conditions to affect Americans today. In 2012, 29.1 million Americans, or 9.3% of the population, had diabetes. Of this number, only 1.25 million were affected by type 1 diabetes. The condition occurs when the pancreas is either unable to use insulin, or it cannot produce enough for the body's needs. Some people may experience both phenomena at the same time. Diabetes doesn't affect everyone in the same way. In fact, two are reversible: gestational diabetes, which only occurs during pregnancy, and type 2 diabetes, which can be reversed by losing fat in the pancreas. In contrast, type 1 diabetes is a permanent autoimmune condition in which the body attacks the pancreas, leaving it unable to produce insulin. Here is a list of common symptoms of diabetes, according to the American Diabetes Association. Urinating often. Feeling very thirsty. Feeling very hungry, even though you are eating. Extreme fatigue. Blurry vision. Cuts/bruises that are slow to heal. Weight loss, even though you are eating more. Type 1. Tingling, pain, or numbness in the hands/feet. Type 2. Left untreated, diabetes can cause diabetic neuropathy, a nerve disorder, ketoacidosis, kidney disease, high blood pressure, stroke, and gastroparesis, delayed gastric emptying. Mango leaves for diabetes. The best way to manage diabetes is by controlling your diet, getting plenty of exercise, and effectively regulating blood sugar levels. This simple recipe can be beneficial in managing your condition naturally. Mango fruit is anti-diabetic, antioxidant, antiviral, cardiotonic, hypotensive, anti-inflammatory properties. Its leaves and fruit contain mongiferin, an active compound that was found to lower blood glucose in diabetic rats. The leaves also has the ability to regulate insulin as well as reduce inflammation of the brain associated with the condition to prevent diabetes-induced Alzheimer's disease and vascular dementia. You'll need 10-15 tender mango leaves, 2-4 cups of water. You'll have to add leaves to a small saucepan of water and bring to a boil. Remove from heat and let the mixture sit overnight. Stain the mixture in the morning and drink it on an empty stomach. Make a new batch every evening and drink daily for at least 2-3 months. If you're using dried ground leaves, take 1/2 teaspoon twice a day, before meals.